Knowing something is just not enough. You know something, it's just not enough. Let me tell you something. So, you guys are probably wondering, what is this guy talking about? Just listen to me and you will just understand what I'm talking about here. Knowing something is just not enough. You need to master it, you need to practice it, you need to believe in it. You know something. You are not mastering that thing. You are not practicing. You don't even believe in that thing. It's just not enough. You know how to make money. You have the knowledge. But you are not mastering the knowledge. You are not practicing the knowledge. You are not even believing in the knowledge. You are creating your world, by the way. Let me tell you something. You are creating your world. If you are doubting yourself, you are creating the world of doubt. If you believe in yourself, you are creating the world of belief. If you are fantasizing, you are creating the world of fantasize. If you are creating the world of wealth, you will be wealthy. There's no other way. Let me tell you something. Being who you want to be, it comes with a lot of work. It comes with a lot of energy. It comes with a lot of aspects that you need to put in, a lot of work. It doesn't come simple. You know, I remember when I was starting out, I didn't even know what I was doing. When I started making some little bit of cash, what I did was I wanted to spend that money to please myself, forgetting that that was not the main thing that I wanted in life. I wanted the power of freedom. I wanted the power of finance. You know, finance can give you that power. I wanted the power of being able to do what I want when I want. Power of time. So these three things, the only way I could bring them into life was for me to believe in myself, master that, and also practice that. So I needed to put in the practice into real life. Guys, you are having what you want to be in your mind. You already have it in your mind. So we call it fantasizing, right? But when you fantasize, you must also be able to bring it into life. Remember, we have two types of things that we want to achieve. We have a dream and we have a goal. A dream is that thing where you are not putting an effort. It just comes into your mind and you fantasize about it, right? It's a fantasy. It's a dream, right? But a goal, it should be something that pushes you towards your dream. So it actually takes you step by step to become what you want to be, to become that dream that you always fantasize about. So it's always about that. Guys, come on, guys. Are you telling me that you are going to reach there if you are living in the world of complaint? You are busy complaining. You are building the world of complaint. That's all you're going to achieve. You are busy building the world of complaining, negativity, hanging around negative people, always talking bad stuff about your life. Come on. How can you be successful? How can you get to where you want to be if you are living in that world? You need to change here. You need to change your mentality. Then you will see the life that you are living in. The real life will come into what? Into change. Come on, guys. Let me tell you something. The secret of being who you want to be, it's all about who you are now. Remember, there are three stages of life. There is the past, there is the present, and also there is the future. In the past, it's where a lot of people are living. You know, I would say 80% to 85% of the world, they are living in the past. They are busy worrying about what they had, what they could have had. Huh? Now, let me tell you something. There are two places where you want to be. You want to be in the present. You want to be in the future. Because the past, you can use the past to motivate yourself. That is inside motivation, you know, internal motivation. Motivate yourself. Always be in a place where you don't want to go back to that place. So that's the past. Use the past to push you forward, right? Now, in the present, this is where you need to put in the work, because this is what determines the future. So the future will come automatically because of the investment you are putting in the present moment. Guys, come on. When you have the mentality of fantasizing, it's a good sign. But you need to put in the work, put in the hard work, put in the hardship, do all the things that you need to do. Let me tell you something. You are probably living in a one room right now. You are renting a one room. You have a little bit of maybe a bedroom, and also more like a condo, a bedroom, and you also have a kitchen there, and you also have a bathroom, right? It's not enough. You know you want to live in an apartment, full apartment, where you have 2 rooms, you have a sitting room, you have a kitchen, and then you also have the bathroom of your own. So you want to live in that place. You want to live in that place. Then what can you do to be able to find yourself in that place? You need to do the following things. You need to put in the work, which is to master it, master the fantasy, practice the fantasy, believe in it. Remember, if you don't believe, who will believe it for you? Who will believe it for you? You need to believe in it. You need to actually put in the work so you can master, so you can also be able to what? Be able to reach that goal or that dream. Guys, you might find yourself that your dream is to drive this BMW, to drive this Mercedes Benz. You want to drive that Audi. Now, what can you do to be able to reach that point? You know what to do. Stick to the lane. Do everything. Do your part. And the universe will do its part, which is to give you what you deserve. What you deserve is what you've put in the work for. It's simple, just like that. Guys, let me tell you something. In life, you have one person who is loyal to you. It's you. It's not your family. It's not your friends. It's not even your relatives. It's not even your colleagues. Those ones are even worse. The only person you can believe in, or the only person who is loyal to you, is yourself. So, if you do all the things you are doing or you want to do, you, yourself, will reward you. Yourself will reward you, because there is no way you or your efforts can reward me. No ways. Your efforts will reward you, not me. My efforts will reward me, not you. That's how it works. So guys, let me tell you, the power of the mental states, the power of the mind, it can come into life. If you believe, you master, you practice. That's all. That is all. Also remember, the world you are talking about is the world you are building. If you are always talking about doubting, you are doubting yourself. That is the world you are building. If you are talking positive stuff all the time, that is the world you are building. If you are watching this video right now, that is the world you are building. You are building the world of positivity. You are building the world of awareness. You are building the world of fortune, the world of wealth, the world of smartness, the strong mentality, strong mental state. Guys, let me be honest with you. The reason I got to where I am today, mentally, I read books, I watched videos. These two things, they are the best. I did not go to anyone to ask for advices. I went to books. You can check 3 of my best books are always there. Now, you read books, you meditate, you fantasize, you also watch videos, motivational videos, educational videos, these kind of things. That is the world you are building for yourself. In one of the good days, it might happen you are still a teenager, you are in your 20s, you are in your 30s, 30s, so, or you are in the 40s, 50s. Doesn't matter. It doesn't have an age restriction. What I know for sure is that you can change your mental state at any point in life. We have people who are already in their 50s. I'm mentoring people who are in their 50s right now. I'm only in my 20s. I'm in the mid 20s right now. I'm mentoring people who are in their 50s because they can see that the mental state is what they are looking for. It doesn't matter what age you are in. I'm mentoring people who are older than me. Why is that? Because mentally I am strong. So I can share the information. Is not about, it doesn't have age. It doesn't have age. You will find that it's like myself. The fact that I am able to learn from people who are older than me, it means you, if you are older, you can learn from people who are younger than you. Never look down on anyone. If you do that, that is one recipe for disaster. One recipe for being poor for the rest of your life. Guys, I know that it's not all the time where I talk about these things, but I will I will always talk about these things, guys, because I know, guys, that we need this positivity in life in order to maintain our lives. You can't just go into business without positive mentality. You will fail. You can't just go into trading, forex trading, whatever that is, without the power of positivity in the mental state, in the upstates. Guys, we need people who are positive, people who will build the world for the better. We need to build this world to be the world that we want our children, our grandsons and granddaughters to live in. So we need to build that world. They need to come to this place, find this place being properly set for them, so that they can go and live in that place. So let's build the future for our children and future children or whatever, for the best. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, please stay subscribed. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, guys. I wish to actually communicate with you more on my Instagram page. Here's my link here on my Instagram page to communicate with you. Any question you have, anything that you want to share, anything at all. When I say anything, I mean anything. They know. Those who are already following me, they know. When I mean anything, I mean anything. I'm just a person who's always available. You can't text me and I take the whole day to answer you. No. I immediately I see the message, I always text you back. That's how I am, guys. That's who I am. I always make sure that I communicate with you guys, because I know that I wish I had someone like me. I wish I had someone like me when I was beginning, when I was starting out in the past years. So I wish I had someone like me, someone who could give me their time, so that I can get it's a double up. It's an easy way to reach the future. So that when I talking to this person, there are steps that I tend to jump because the person has already experienced those steps. So I am jumping them by taking his experience, learning from him. So that's what I'm wishing to give to you guys. I'm wishing to put in my information to you, install my information to you for free. Why would I charge to answer your question? Why would I do that? I do have courses that I'm charging for, but those things are just on the other hand. But on the other hand, I'm a person who wants to help the world. So let me do my part and do your part. Text me on Instagram for any question and I will answer you guys. Thank you very much for staying up to this far in this video. I'm gonna be uploading regular videos since from the first. I said this before and I'm saying it now. I will be uploading videos as of 1st of this November, where I'll be talking about money. I'll be talking about finance. I'll be talking about everything from investments, everything. I'm going to include everything because I want you guys to actually grow mentally. We are going into 2021 here. We've seen 2020 has been something else. Now 2021 want it to be a double year where it's a double progress. Everything that is done in the following year now, it's a double thing, because this year has already showed us flames. So we need to go into this year and double something, double the success, double the time, double everything. We are doubling everything this year, this coming year. So we need to prepare ourselves. So from the 1st of November, I'm uploading regular videos every single day, maybe a day after. That doesn't matter. I'm gonna be uploading regularly so that you guys can get educated. I am a person who has a lot of information here, and I also have a lot to share. So guys, stay alert, subscribe in this channel, and also like and share. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.